Hello everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. Today I will be showing you how to create a Facebook page. Creating a Facebook page may be a good option for you if your organization wants to grow its community of supporters and create more connections and interactions with people. In order to create a Facebook page, first open Facebook app. Doing so, you'll open your newsfeed if you've already signed in. Tap on the menu bar on the top right corner. Tap on Pages, you'll see Create option. After that, click on Create and click on Get Started. You'll need to name your page here. Do so, give it a name and click Next. Now choose categories for your page. You can select subcategories as well, and after you do so, click Next. Add your website or you can skip it too. Here you can add a profile picture to your page. Click Next for now. After that, tap on Visit Page since this will complete the setup process and your Facebook page is created. That is how you can create a Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more updates from us. Hope this tutorial helped you.